What would happen when a truck with no badge, no brand, still makes everyone stop and stare? No template, no limits, just one goal, an aggressive head-turning build with 1,000 horsepower behind it. Sounds crazy? Good, because that's exactly what I'm building. A crew cab truck from scratch, based on a 1962 C20 cab stretched into a 4-door setup, creating enough space for the whole family, while still functioning like a true truck, capable of hauling thousands of pounds. But what turns it into a real beast is a diesel engine built to hit the 1,000 HP mark. From the chassis to the smallest details, everything is handcrafted, measured, and dialed in inch by inch. In this part, I'm finishing the crew cab and starting the interior build from the ground up. So the question is, will this machine become a legend, or push beyond what I can control? The exterior of this 1,000 HP beast is nearly complete. The interior is starting to take shape, but now comes the big decision. Push the 6.6L LB7 Duramax to 1,000 HP, or swap to a Cat 3126 for even more extreme power. What would you choose? Drop your thoughts below, because they'll decide what happens next.